You know, you're not from London, but it's close.
Oh, you're not from London?
No.
So this is what you do? Huh? You seen other people?
I'm asking for directions.
Don't lie to me.
I'm not lying to you.
You seeing them? Who you seeing?
How can I be with two guys at the
Who you
same
sleeping with?
time? I'm
'Cause
not
that's
sleeping
you.
with anyone.
Excuse me, do you know her? No, we don't.
I just met them now.
No,
I
you
just
have to
asked for
register.
directions.
She's lying.
I'm not.
She's a liar. Why are you always lying?
I don't.
Why are you always lying?
Yeah, so...
Excuse me, you sure you don't know her?
Do.
I'm so sorry. I'm
Do you
so
know
sorry
her?
for his behaviour.
She asked for directions quickly too.
Look, are you lying to me?
I'm not lying.
I swear, if you're lying to
You
me.
need to stop.
No, you need to stop.
I can't.
Talking to other guys.
I'm not talking. I just asked for directions.
No, you're lying to me.
I asked.
Make me get angry.
I
Do not make me get angry. Please do not make me get angry. It's a married man.
just asked him for
You're trying to flirt
directions.
with a married man.
I don't
You're
know
trying to flirt with a
him.
married man.
I don't
You're
know
trying to
him.
flirt with a married man. Do you know that? You're a problem. You understand this?
Can't.
You are a problem in my life. Do you understand that?
can't
I do not
do that.
want you next to me or near me. You understand?
Stop.
You frustrate me and you annoy me. Do you understand that? You
Yes,
frustrate
you're
me, annoy me.
jealous
You're getting me
behaviour.
angry right now.
Stop.
You're getting me angry right now.
Stop.
You're getting me angry
You're
right now.
making a
You're getting me
scene.
angry right now.
You're making
You're
a
getting me angry now. You and that baby. 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 You and that baby are a problem in my life. You know that?
Listen, please, leave
You're
her
an
alone.
issue.
Leave her alone. Come inside.
You know that?
Come
You're an
inside.
issue.
Come inside.
You're a problem.
Come with her.
You know that? Wait, excuse me. Wait. It's a social experiment. It's a social experiment. It's a social experiment. It's just a boosted boy if we would see who would help and who would, and you lot stood up and you would help. Yeah,
I'm actually gonna cry.
it's a social experiment. I would never do that. I would never do that in real life.
Thank you
I would
so
never do
much.
that in real
Thank you
life.
so much for standing
Thank you
up.
for standing up. All the